Hi there. I hope that you're doing fine. So this video is for the students who sat for their KCSE in 2025. I've received a lot of messages and calls, and they are telling me that they have been trying to log in to KUCCPS portal, but it has not been working. They are using their KCSE index number and the year that they sat for their exam, and the password as their KCPE index number or the birth certificate entry number, and all of them are not going through, and they are being told the credentials are wrong. So I want to let you know that the details for KCSE 2025 students have not been updated in the system. So you have to wait. They will announce when the students who sat for their exam in 2025 to go and log into the portal and make their applications. So at the moment of recording this video, the KUCCPS portal is not open for 2025 students. Please note that. And when it will be announced, I will let you know, and I'll also offer a video on how you can be able to correctly choose your course so that you avoid this issue of missing placements and doing revisions. And I think I've been doing that over the years, and I will also do it for this year. So when it will be ready, I'll let you know on Ero Productions platforms and even on this very platform. So the 2025 students, please wait. Your portal is not on. But for those who sat for KCSE exam in 2024 and behind, you can be able to apply for KUCCPS KMTC courses. They are on. We have at least 10 days to go, so you can be able to apply for these courses. So log into your portal, go and make the application for KMTC courses. So for those who sat for the exam in 2025, I will see you in our next video when I'll be informing you the portal is open and showing you how you can be able to apply for that very course. I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, please feel very free to like this video and share it to your friends. And also, if you enjoy our general content, feel very free to subscribe with notifications on so that you are the first person to be notified whenever you upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, stay tuned for more updates that will be coming to you very soon. Okay?